during cold weather power failure, this is a good question. When power is restored, does that damage the compressor? You said this is the same as a new install. Does the homeowner need to know that the thermostat should be off while the heater restores the oil temperature?
Depends on how long the power is out, right?
And it depends on how cold it is too.
Yeah, if it's only off a couple hours, they can probably turn the unit right back on. But if you're talking extenuated period of time, 8 hours plus, then they probably need to leave the thermostat off when the power comes back on, give it an hour and a half, 2 hours at least to warm the compressor back up some before they restart.
Right.
Right. Yeah.
Unless it's like 0 degrees out and it's been a couple hours, then yes, if
Yeah.
it's extreme cold or something. But yeah, it's not bad to at least have the conversation with you know, with the homeowner when you sell them the unit. If this does happen, it's not a bad idea to do that.